This is Ellen Bassler from Midwest Technical Institute, and I'm here with Emma Seiboldt, who is the ROWVA High School Star Student of the Month for October. Congratulations, Emma.
Thank you.
What do you like most about cross country?
What I like most about cross country is pushing myself and trying to get a better PR each race.
Excellent. What's your favorite part of being on a team?
My favorite part of being on a team is the friendships that I made, and I've gotten so much closer with all the people on the team.
What are your plans after high school?
My plans after high school is to go to med school and become an oncologist at St. Jude's.
What's something that a ton of people are obsessed with, but you just don't get the point of?
I definitely am not obsessed with pickles because I think they are nasty.
And what are you most looking forward to in the rest of your time in high school?
I'm looking forward to staying athletic and being involved in many sports and keeping up with my grades.
Well, congratulations to you, and I wish you the best of luck for the future.
Thank you.